Everybody, it's Evan Dom here with Dominic Fontaine Associates, and we want to tell you about our newest listing. It is 1572 Championship Circle. It's in the Augusta Lakes development. So it's a really awesome villa. So if you don't know what a villa is, basically you have the opportunity to have your snow removal, lawn care taken care of, landscaping, trash removal. It's really an opportunity where, it's maintenance-free living, brand new home that you can move in and enjoy. Dom, what's some key features about this place?
Yeah, it's awesome. High ceilings, open floor plan, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. It's got a nice deck on the back as well. You can walk right out, walk-in pantry. I mean, it's kind of nice because it's all self-contained, like you said.
Yeah, first floor laundry too, right?
So yeah, it's everything's
all
on
on
first
one
floor
floor.
living. Then it's got a nice open basement if you wanted to finish that space down there and add another bathroom even.
Perfect. And if you wanted to walk through this and you end up saying, I like it, but there's some things I want to do different, we actually have some lots available as well that you can build with this builder to build something exactly what you want, maybe on the golf course. It's right off of Legends. So if you want to learn a little bit more, set up a private time to go look at this with our team, you can reach me at 330-933-3258.
Or you can reach me at 330-234-6204.